Hi guys, welcome back. Today I want to make a single strand necklace. So I have some rondelles and some pearl beads and tiger tail. The seed beads are 11/0s and they are cream colour. So I'm going to be hopefully putting four seed beads between each bead. I'm trying tiger tail because I normally use the Beaded bead and wire 6x5mm glass champagne beads. A pearl bead like that. I think I'm going to do 4 seed beads. One second. I think I need to cut the end of that a little bit more because it's not flat, which is quite annoying. I might do 4 of the seed beads. I'm hoping you can see this okay. My pearl bead on there, and then I was thinking we're going straight in with this colour because this colour is actually stunning. I'm going to put that one on. I'm going again do the 4 seed beads. So this will be the pattern going forward. Do I do a pearl bead, then the 4, then this one, and then the 4, and then the two-tone? Hoping you can see it okay. And then again like that, and then do the 4, and then do a pearl bead. So do you think that's okay, or should I go straight in with a pearl, then this one, and then a pearl, and then the two-tone? I think that might work like that actually. Let's try, and it might work. Another pearl. That's what I have. If you think that same pattern all the way round, I think that might be quite nice. Actually really pretty, isn't it? It's very sparkly, and the two-tone in between there, and then the pearl bead. I will put you on another time lapse in a minute, otherwise it just gets boring. It's not quite finished, I've still got to crimp it. I've got some smaller glass pearl beads to go on the end. They're not white, they're more of a cream, but they will still go. And they will go on the end there. I have an issue with my tripod, so I'm going to put these beads on, and then I'm going to crimp it, and then just show you afterwards. I've managed to put the crimps on, so you can see there. I've put 4 on because it's quite a heavy necklace. So what I'm going to do is, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So then I use flat nose pliers and I just push them down, and then it just crimps it. I can't do it on camera, as in holding my phone, so I'll do it quickly now and then I will show you what I've done. So I have put 4 crimps on. I use flat nose pliers to squish them with the with these crimps. I don't use the crimping tool. They are tiny, so you can't really see them between each bead, and very secure. So if you liked my video, please like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye.